But notice what he tells us to do in verse 2. He says to reprove, rebuke, exhort with great patience and instruction. Reprove, that means we are going to have to necessarily tell people what's right and what's wrong. There are those that still won't listen, and there requires a rebuking, and we're going to have to exhort with all long suffering. In other words, constantly. We say it one time and move on. We say it this time and let God have it. No, that's not how this works. It's not that we pray for them and then keep moving. We don't pray for the murderer to stop. We don't pray for the child abductor or anyone else to stop. No, we actually take measures to stop it, or at least to warn. That's what we're supposed to do. And as I said, it shows up in a few different areas. Paul, at his deathbed, stated that he has fought the good fight, he's finished the course, and he has kept the faith. Not that Paul is saying that he's kept believing, but he's kept the faith. What is this? Well, Paul brings up the fact that there's a person named Alexander who opposed their message, and to be aware of it. We've got people out there that we ought to also be aware. There are people that are actually leading the charge for this great falling away from not believing, because if anyone is believing, then that person is going to continually believe, because that's what the Bible tells us. But what are they going to fall away from? From the very tenets of the faith, the things that our faith are built on.